Hello everyone. So in this video I am going to analyze Bharat Electronics Limited. I have collected the data from Google and I make a presentation so you people can easily understood. And I want everyone, and it's a humble request, that please like the video and subscribe to the channel. So in the first slides, market position. So let's talk about the market position. It is a large cap company. Market cap 3.3 lakh crore. Current price is 463, near all-time high. 463, near all-time high. P ratio 56.7. So it's a expensive stock. Price to book 15.7. And what all these things means? It means investors expect high future growth. From all these things we can conclude that investors are expecting high future growth. Let's move to the next slide. Financial growth. So revenue financial year 2026 26,750 crore. So in the previous year it was 23,769 crore, and profit growth is 24%, and net profit 5,963 crore. It means company is growing steadily. So धीरे धीरे वो क्या company आगे जा रहा है, ठीक है. Now let's talk about profitability. Operating margin is 30%. Very strong efficiency. Good pricing power. It means company earns high profit from its business. It means the company is not a loss-making company and it is earning money from the business. Definitely earn karega यहाँ. So order book. So total order book is 74,000 crore. It's a huge amount. So new orders is 30,000 crore. So strong future visibility. Because of the order book and new orders, we have seen that it have a strong future visibility. So guaranteed future revenue. If someone buys stocks, then definitely after 2 to 3 years he will get a good sum of money or good sum of return. And there is also risks, we all know that. So key ratios: ROCE 38.9%, ROE 29.2%, debt almost zero, because it is a government backed company. 51% shares is for government. Here 51% shares is for government, around 19% for FII, 20% for DII. ऐसा ही कुछ था. Dividend yield 0.52%. So financially very strong company. So BEL is financially a very strong company. Next, okay, fine. Shareholding. See, government holds 51% of the company. FII is 19.5% and it's increasing. DII is 20%. So since the government owns 51% of the company, so it has a very high institutional trust. Now let's talk about its strength. Leader in defense electronics. I think it's the only one in India that makes defense electronics items. Benefits from Make in India, since it is a government backed company, so Make in India से तो benefits मिलेगा ही मिलेगा. Strong cash flow, बहुत ज़्यादा cash flow है इसमें. So expanding into new areas like drones, cyber security. Fine. Now obviously there is a risk. वर्किंग कैपिटल इंक्रीजिंग. वर्किंग कैपिटल इंक्रीज हो रहा है बिकॉज बहुत सारा ऑर्डर ले रहा है, काम बहुत ज़्यादा करने के लिए जा रहे हैं. सो वर्किंग कैपिटल इंक्रीज हो रहा है. बट द थिंग इज दैट पेमेंट्स माइट गेट स्लोअर बिकॉज गवर्नमेंट एक कंपनी है, गवर्नमेंट से पैसा आने में थोड़ा टाइम लग सकता है. स्टॉक इज एक्सपेंसिव. स्टॉक इज एक्सपेंसिव का मतलब क्या है? मतलब वो हमेशा ऑल टाइम हाई के पास ही है. ऑल टाइम हाई ब्रेक करके जाता है, थोड़ा नीचे आता है, फिर से ऑल टाइम हाई के पास चला जाता है. Less rooms for mistakes in earnings. So मिस्टेक वो नहीं कर सकता, मतलब ठीक है, ऐसा है. सो फाइनल वर्डिक्ट, हाई क्वालिटी लॉन्ग टर्म स्टॉक. इट्स ए हाई क्वालिटी डेफिनेटली. 51% गवर्नमेंट पास की अगर है, इट मीन्स इंडिया ग्रो करेगा तो ये स्टॉक भी ग्रो करेगा. Strong order book and growth definitely high, but valuation is high. Valuation is little bit high. So best for long term investors. This stock is, every stock is best for long term investors, and this is not for short term buying at high price. अगर डीप में कोई बाई करके ऊपर सेल करेगा तब तो ठीक है, लेकिन ऊपर बाई करेगा तो शॉर्ट टर्म में नीचे आ सकता है. ओके फाइन, thank you, and I hope you like this video, and please subscribe to the channel. It will help me to give videos so you can see and learn something, and I am also learning these things, so you can also learn. Okay, thank you, have a great day.